Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make this DIY dollhouse with only cardboard, and it was on your demand because you guys were requesting me a lot to make dollhouse because I've already made so many dolls to play with. So this is a dollhouse you can use for your dolls and it's very beautiful and very easy. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so starting with, I'm gonna take this beautiful white cardboard, and as you can see, this has 3 sides right now. So you can just take a normal cardboard box and start with that. Then over here I've painted some windows and all, so you can start painting it and you can just give it any design and color you want. Okay, so as you can see, this window scenery is now painted. Now I'll just take my sponge and I'll start dabbing some beautiful peach colored paint over here. So this is just for the wall texture. You can also use it as a wallpaper, and that's what I'm gonna do over here. So once that is done, now I'll just put some glue over here on the window. And I'll just stick these white card paper pieces for the window frames, and I'll just repeat that on the side window as well. So now as you can see, this is the base. Now I'll take another piece of cardboard, and as you can see, it's slightly cut from one side, and this will be the second floor for the house. Now I'll just stick that, and then I'll just take this white cardboard, and as you can see how I'm just folding it like this. So it's just 1 centimeter difference, and you can just do that. These are some black gems which you can use for the handles of the compartments in the kitchen. So now you just have to put this beautiful pink colored cardboard on top of that. So this is how the kitchen compartment is ready. Now over here I'll put some glue, and then I'll just take this silver cardboard just for the sink, and then some things kept on the compartment as well. So now this is how it looks right now. Now I'll just take this on one side of the house. Now over here, this is another piece of cupboard. So this is how it looks. Now over here I've taken some colored beads, and now I'll just stick it on top of each other, so just to give some beautiful cute miniature effects just for the compartment and on the platform. So now this is how it looks. It's a tiny fry pan, some fruits and all, and I'll just keep it on the kitchen platform. Now this is a refrigerator, and it's very easy to make. You just have to fold a white cardboard into these 3 parts and then put a square on top of it. And this is the refrigerator. Now what you have to do is that you have to take a beautiful pink colored cardboard and cut out an oval, and do it the same with the white one as well. Now you have to take these 2 white cardboard, and I'll just stick it like this over here. So I'll stick this on each of the sides of the oval shape. And this is a beautiful oval shaped table along with some chairs. It's very easy to make. Now over here I'll just use my colored pens, and I'll make some brown frames over here. And then I'll just make some paintings as well on this side of the wall. So this is how it looks right now. You can also write some quotations and all. Now I'll just use the second floor cardboard, and before that I'll just stick these white cardboards on the sides. So this is how it looks right now, as you can see. Now this will be on the side, and it's kind of a railing for the second floor. And then what you have to do is that you have to make another frame over here, and you have to stick it below. So now you can stick that, and this is how it looks. Then again you have to take some white cardboard, fold them into this shape, and you can just make this frame again. Okay, so this will be the cupboard for the side study room, and I'll just give it a yellow effect over here, attaching the yellow card paper. And then these are some very tiny magazines and books, which you can just use any printed, textured or colored card paper, and you can just fold it out. Then you can just stick it over here. So now I'll take another piece of yellow card paper, and I'll just again use the measurements, and the measurements can be according to you as well, because you know how big your house is gonna be, so you can just measure according to that. And then I'll just cut this part. So this is a very easy way to make some cupboards, and this is how I make, so you can see that. So you just have to draw the cupboard and then fold it according to the lines. Then according to the cuts, you can just stick that out. Alright, so now as you can see, this cupboard is ready. So now over here I'll take these two white card paper cutouts, and it's a chair, so I'll keep it white as it is. So now I'll just take these two cut pieces, and I'll just stick these two on the sides. Alright, so this is done. Now what I'll do is that I'll stick this on this part of the room, so it's a tiny study room for the doll. Now over here I'll just take this white cardboard again, and I'll fold it from half. Now I'll just paint the screen with blue color, and then I'll use some black marker for the side border. And this is a very tiny piece of laptop, and it's just very easy to make. You just have to fold some white cardboard into half, and that's it. Make a keyboard on one side and the screen on the other. Now you can just stick that as well over there in the study room. Then I'll take this pink colored paper again. I'll take the measurements of how long I want the stairs to be. So now let's make the staircase. So over here I'll just cut these parts out, as you can see. And so these are some very tiny straws over here. So these are the plastic straws, and I'll just stick them one by one, and you can see the size, it's decreasing as it goes down. So that's exactly what we want for the staircase to be. Now again I'm taking this white cardboard frame and some white cardboard over here. After doing that, I'll stick some white cotton, and then I'll just take this beautiful pink color textured fabric, and I'll just stick that as well. So this is a very tiny bed, as you can see, for the bedroom for the dollhouse. And now I'll just do that, and then I'll take this beautiful white colored lace, and this will be the bed sheet, or you can say the blanket, and then the side one as well. Now it's a very easy way to make pillow or cushions. You just have to take a pink colored fabric and fold it, then it will look the same. So you just have to stick this bed over here on the first floor, and these are some more tables and some stools over here just for the dressing table for the bedroom. Now I'll just take this piece of again silver card. After taking the silver cardboard over here, I'll stick that as a mirror, then some lamps and some mat over here. So now this is what it goes for the bathroom. So you can just stick that over here. As you can see, it's the wash basin, and then some toilet seat and some bathtub. So these are all made out of card paper only, so it's very easy, you can do that by yourself. Then I'll take this translucent thick sheet and I'll just fold it into 3 parts. Now on the corners I will be attaching this white colored cardboard, and which is just folded from half. So this is the compartment, it's seen through of course because I'm using a thick translucent sheet. Now I'll take this white fabric and I'll fold it zigzag. You can also take white paper and attach it over here just to give that curtain effect in the bathroom. So after sticking it over here, this is what it looks right now, as you can see. Now these are some white cardboard cutouts again, and this is a very beautiful tiny piano set, so it will just go in the basement over here. So after doing that, I'll put this beautiful pink colored thick sheet again, and it's a card paper sheet, and then I'll stick these beautiful piano set and stool. So once that is done, I'll take this pink colored cardboard again, and this is how I fold it. So after folding this is what it looks right now, and it's a very beautiful rug over here in the living room and some sofas. Then over here I'll stick this television, and then this is another piece of center table, and then some plants for the final touch. Ta-da guys, this is my final video of the dollhouse completed, and this is how my dollhouse looks. So you can see every little detail and it's very beautiful. So this is how it was guys. I'm gonna make many more dolls and dollhouses in future as well. If you want me to make that all, you can just comment down below and tell me, and I'll for sure do that. So this is it guys. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.